For most of the people, it is just a land, but for farmers, it is their potential. But their potential is hitting hard by something called climate change. Climate change is a harsh reality that is already touching livelihoods and disrupting their lives. In India, where millions of farmers are depending on farming for their livelihoods, the consequences are disrupting. The land they have cultivated for generations is getting disrupting in front of their eyes. And as the part of this process, how much time we require to acknowledge that if agriculture goes wrong, nothing else will have a chance to go in a right direction. Agriculture is not just an industry in India, it is a way of life. More than 60% of population in India are depending upon agriculture. Farmers have no choice but to depend on weather for their cultivation. And as we all know that with the rise in temperature, rainfall become more erratic. According to IPCC report, the temperature in India have already risen by 0.7 degrees centigrade by 1900s, and the worst is yet to come. The droughts in 2019 in multiple cities like Maharashtra and Andhra Pradesh and the floods in 2020 in Bihar have devastated 1 billion hectares of farmland. The impact is not just on the field, it is felt in every corner of the economy. Farming is a calling to putting everything on risk, to providing everything for everyone. And this is the reason farmers are not giving up. They are adopting across the country new innovation, new techniques, and new availability for sustainability. There is a saying by Henry David that what is the use of a house if you haven't got a tolerable planet to put it on? Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe and follow our channel The Climato TV for more informative videos. Thank you.